Go up there so you can go down the slide. Let me see you go. Go, Gavin! Where's Gavin? Go, Gavin! Hi! Go up there! Gavin, go up there! Go up there! Yay, Gavin! Hi! Hi! We go down the slide? Backwards? Yay, Gavin! Yay! Look at mommy. Say cheese. Cheese.